guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angel. For all of you who are new tuning in, today we are in the nursery. I'm going to be sharing with you guys the nursery tour. So I have with me baby girl, for you guys who have not seen her. She is currently 3 weeks old. She has her eyes open, so we'll get a little closer so you guys can get a cute little view of her. Oh, and by the way, still no passies. You know, we don't do passies with our babies. I didn't grow up on one, and now I have my babies and they're just as calm as ever. I've talked more about that in the past. I can link that video where I go more into detail about that and the reasons why and all of that. But yep, you guys should see just as calm and peaceful as ever. So just had to throw that out there. Isn't she the cutest? She looks just like Ace, y'all. I'll pop in a picture so you guys can see it. She was born looking just like Ace. As you guys know, baby came early, so we were working on the nursery and she happened to come early, so we had to finish it once she was here. But I'm gonna go through, show you guys all the details, how we have it decorated. We actually did this as an easy DIY. We didn't do no heavy lifting, no painting, no none of that. This is definitely renter friendly, so if you are renting a space and you don't want to do a lot of heavy lifting, this is a way to still make a space look really nice. You guys can see how you can decorate a room and it still looks really, really good. So feel free to drop me a comment. I will have everything linked because we did get a lot of stuff from Amazon. A lot of the furniture too is reused from Ace room. So if you guys saw Ace Nursery Tour, you would know a lot of the furniture is still the same furniture from Ace. So we did not buy a lot of new furniture, but we did buy the decor to go with it. So we did a little bit of neutrals, pinks, and blue tones, kind of boho thrown in there too. So I also wanted to mention that I will be sharing with you guys a lot of baby organization. In another video, I'll share with you the inside of the drawers, how I have them organized, baby bottle organization, all of that stuff in a different video. So be sure to stay tuned for that. And I do have one from my past, how I had everything organized with Ace in her old home, and I can link that. So if you guys need ideas now, you can check that out. But I will be sharing my updated baby organization video very, very soon. I hope you do enjoy the video, and let's jump in and get started. So this room initially was a storage room when we first moved in here, but we did clear it all out. I'm gonna start with the dresser area, and this dresser is an Ikea dresser. It's a third makeover. I made it over for Ace. If you guys remember his nursery, I did another makeover for our baby girl. Only thing we really did was switch out the handles, and I added these beautiful gold handles in here that I got from Amazon. This is the same contact paper from Ace's room. The marble contact paper is so great for protecting the countertops, and I can't tell you how much damage Ace did. But it's very easy to clean, wipeable. You can disinfect it, all of that good stuff. And so it's the same top as we had with Ace. And then on top of here, we do have the changing station. It's the Hatch baby changing table. It also keeps track of their weight. It's a smart scale, so we love it because we can keep track of how much she's growing every week. So she was literally born 6 pounds 7 ounces, and now at 3 weeks she's about 8 pounds 9 ounces. So we love the scale because we can keep track of her weight as she's growing. And then so I also did a diaper changing station up here, like boho style. I got this 2-tiered wood organizer, and I organized all of her things that we need for easy access for changing her diaper. Easy grab and go. Plus I love the automatic wipe dispenser, totally from Amazon. Love that, you guys. I will link everything again. Also added this boho lamp up here. It's like a smart lamp. You can touch it. Again, you want as much hands-free as possible with the baby. You can touch the bottom or you can touch the interior, and it comes on, has 3 different settings. It also has plugs on here. You can plug in things too with USB ports as well. Anytime we need to plug something in, this lamp is amazing to have right up here to be able to plug in. Now, as far as the wall decor, I got these gold frames from Amazon and these animal print inserts also from Amazon. Amazon. The mirror, that's like a little flower boho style mirror, I've had so long. I think I picked this up from Home Goods a couple years ago. I got it in my old house. I just never used it, and this was the perfect space to put it in, so it's still brand new. When I find pieces I like, I usually just go and get them and hang on to them, and this worked perfect here in the nursery. Now I also have our diaper genie right next to the dresser right here for as we're changing her, we can just put dirty diapers in there. I have this floor lamp that has shelving on it. I love this lamp, you guys. I like the extra storage. The 3 shelves that comes with it is very handy. You can decorate it. I also have this nightlight that's also a sound machine, and you can set this for different schedules, but we have this in here that we play her white noise through, and also you can set the lighting so you can change the color on it. It's really cool. That came from Amazon as well. Right by that I have the end table, again from Ace Room, and on top of it I just have this picture frame I got from Hobby Lobby, and I printed out this picture of me and baby girl with my Kodak printer. I can link that for you guys too, but that came from Amazon as well too. And then I got this plant that I think I got from maybe Ross or Home Goods a couple years ago. Again, just pulling in as much as I can because I didn't want to spend too much money. Moving on to the crib wall. The crib, again, is an old piece of furniture that we use for Ace. All I did was buy new crib sheets to match the room. So I got these Muslim crib sheets that are so comfortable and so soft, and I got that from Amazon. This is the same camera that I used from Ace Room. It still works. I just got 2 cameras, and I got one in here and one in Ace Room, and we just use one monitor for it. And then we also have the Einstein under the sea TV hooked up in here. So soothing to have. The 3 paintings above the crib came from Amazon. This was a way, since we didn't want to paint or do any type of DIY project in here, because we're going to turn this room into a guest room. When she turns 1, we're going to move her upstairs to a bigger room, so I didn't want to do like anything that would be permanent. So to give this wall some color, I got these 3 large paintings from Amazon. They were affordable and they look really good and had all the color tones that I wanted. That came from Amazon. Moving on to the chair. The chair, again, same chair from Ace Room. We kept everything because we knew we wanted more kids. The only thing I did add was a pillowcase for the pillow to, again, match the tone of the room. This is a velvet soft type pillowcase that works extremely well. I added the curtains also from Amazon. The curtains are sound dampening and they are blackout because we have noisy neighbors a lot of times. I love that feature with them, and I also got the gold curtain rods from Amazon. They are beautiful. I love the curtain rods too. I have some baskets on the floor, one that holds books, one that holds burp cloths, and then we also have the smart sock that we use on her foot at night because baby does sleep in the crib. Baby's been in the crib from day 1 from the hospital. We do that with all our kids and babies, so we have no transitioning. They love their room. They get used to their room and comfortable in their room. And one way to appease me to keep track of her heart rate is with the smart socks. I have to have those. I keep that nearby too. Moving on around, I have this Ottoman that is also a Amazon find. It's beautiful. You can sit on it. You can also use it for storage, which is so great for babies and kids because you know you have a lot of stuff to store. So I definitely have stored a lot of stuff in here. It's very beautiful. Like I said, it just matches the whole style that I'm going for. Love that. I also got this olive tree from Amazon as well too. You can get different sizes. It also comes with the basket at the bottom, so you literally just pull it out and place it. You don't have to do anything extra to it. You don't have to add anything to the bottom to make it look real. It's just a pull out and go, so I highly recommend it. I actually got the 2 paintings with the little boho leaves on them. I got that from, it was like a bargain place, Bargain Hut, I believe. The Ikea dresser was another DIY project. I used it in Ace closet before previously. I redid it, replaced the knobs with these gold knobs again to match her room. Gave her a little hanging station in here because I don't have a closet for her right now because the closet in this room we're using for storage. So I used this for her hanging space, her shoe space, and then I also used another hanging space above that with these wood shelves also from Amazon. You can turn them upside down as well too, so as you can see on the wall. Got one with books, I got one for hanging, and I still can put stuff on top of it if I want to as well. And then I also got this little holder on top of the dresser that has all her headbands that matches these outfits that are hanging, so I can easily find them. That came from Amazon as well too. One of my absolute favorite purchases for the nursery is the light fixture. I'm so in love with this light fixture. I actually wanted in more rooms in my house, but I got it from Amazon and it was not super expensive, and I will link it below. I feel like it adds the perfect amount of glam to the room without overdoing it, and it's different. It also comes in 2 sizes. If you want the larger one, there is a larger size as well. This is a little cord organizer that I also got from Amazon. I believe that's everything here in the room. I have a basket for her toys as well in here too. But that's how I did the nursery. Like I said, I tried to reuse as much stuff as I could. I tried not to spend a lot of money in here, but I did want to decorate it without doing any type of permanent type of change in here, because like I said, we're going to be switching this room out when she's a year old, which will be here quicker than we know. Stay tuned for more videos. Stay tuned for more baby organization as well too, and I'll see you guys in my next video.